Now, today I want to talk to you about my 1 year later with Shiny Smile Veneers. They broke. Yes, they broke, guys. Shiny Smile Veneers broke in less than a year.
The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding.
What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about 1 year later with Shiny Smile Veneers. Unfortunately, I recorded an entire video talking to you guys about this subject, and the video decided to freeze while I was in the middle of recording it, so just the audio was going. Because of that, I do a lot of great talking with great information, but unfortunately, the video itself froze. So I need to fill in that video with new video. So listen to what I have to say. And please forgive me that it's going to look a little weird with the B-roll that I have showing you things on the video, but I have to do that because I gave you so much great information that I couldn't remake this video the same way. So I really hope this video helps. I'm sorry about the weird B-roll. Just please try to live with it. This video is going to give you so much great information about what to expect and everything about my experience when it comes to Shiny Smile Veneers. Thank you and have a great day. Enjoy the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be like the video of the year for this channel. The reason why is because this is a huge deal when it comes to your lifestyle and the way you present yourself. Ever since I got Shiny Smile Veneers, this is an honest review. This is a non-sponsored review. I get nothing from the company for this. I wish I did, because thousands of people have bought Shiny Smile Veneers because of my honest videos. I hope that these videos are helping you. I've done a few different Shiny Smile Veneer videos in the past, and those videos basically told you about my experience, how long did it take to make, and all that stuff. You guys can check those videos out if you like. Now, today I want to talk to you about my 1 year later with Shiny Smile Veneers. They broke. Yes, they broke, guys. Shiny Smile Veneers broke in less than a year. I ended up reaching out to the company and saying, hey guys, is there anything you can do for me? Because my veneers cracked, unfortunately, and I really miss them, and it's been less than a year, so, you know, what's the deal? What's going on? And I'm going to show you the emails to show you the back and forth, basically, and give you an idea of what that crack looked like in the veneers and how it ended up progressing from there. So this is my 1 year later with Shiny Smile Veneers. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and time to learn about how amazing this company really is. So again, I don't get anything from this company. As you can see here, this is their response to me saying, hey guys, my veneers broke and I need help. I thought this was reasonable because who knows, I could be lying, right? Maybe I just want another set of veneers. They don't know. So they're going to go ahead and get those pictures from me right here. Hello, here's a picture of the damage that naturally occurred over time using these veneers. Yes, naturally occurred over time, and you're going to see why. Here is the crack. Here is the crack right there. You can see right there in the middle, it ended up cracking. Now, these things are made of like a plastic, okay? Over time, that plastic will get more and more brittle. You're washing them, right? If you're treating them properly, you're washing them gently with a toothbrush, and they're getting wet, they're getting dry. So all this stuff is going to affect the longevity of these. But, you know, that's what these are for. So you have to do that kind of stuff. So I sent that picture in. And over here, you're going to see, hello, Joseph. Thank you for reaching out. We're happy to let you know that our lab will start manufacturing new veneers. You'll receive an email with the tracking number once it's finished. If you have further concerns, please feel free to let me know. Guys, I don't know what the warranty for these veneers were, but the fact that they just sent it back after I sent that picture with we're manufacturing your new veneers, I was so happy. I was thinking, oh, am I going to have a problem? Are they going to be like, no, sorry, this is your fault? Or, you know, oh yeah, it's a year warranty, or I don't even know. But at the end of the day, this is what they did. They ended up cracking in less than 1 year, and they just said, we're going to manufacture a new one. No problems, no questions asked. Thank you so much, Monica. I really appreciate that. I do have a couple of things I wanted to mention. Please ask the lab to make them very tight to my teeth throughout the entire veneer, both on the top and the bottom piece, like the last model. I've sent you guys videos and information in the past about this being necessary with my other veneers that you sent. Thank you very much. I recommend every single person who orders a set of veneers from this company state what I just stated there. That's because you may receive veneers that flare away from your teeth or gums. I've done in-depth videos showing and talking about this very, very important fact. Watch those videos to get that information if you need more clarity. But the reason I say this is because if they flare away from you, you're going to have a very, very heavy lisp. And you will have a slight lisp, regardless probably, but the lisp will be a million times worse if it is not perfect the way I just mentioned it in this email, okay? So watch those videos if you need further clarification. Kindly note the process, this is them responding to me, kindly note the process takes 3 to 5 weeks. However, once they're finished and shipped out, we can email you the tracking number. They also mentioned, because I wanted them as fast as possible, of course, that they mentioned that they can do an overnight, which will be $35 extra, and I said, that's great, no problem, I'll pay the overnight. It ended up that they made a mistake and shipped it out first class instead of overnight, which was a little sad to me, but they still got to me in like record time. So not overnight, but really, really quickly. So it was not an issue because they got to me by the deadline that I had to keep. So now, for the moment of truth, I'm going to show you the veneers that I showed you in this picture. By the way, I just want to mention the company's been amazing. The company has been amazing. Never had an issue with them. They're very kind. They get back to you right away. These people are cool, cool, cool. They're located over in Texas, which I appreciate too, because their business is not outside of the country, and I appreciate that they get back to me quickly all the time, and I like supporting someone who's within the United States. This is the bottom veneer. I'll pop that in. This is the top veneer with the crack in it. This one has the crack, okay? I still have them, still. And it's been like maybe 3 months into the new year, and I still have them. By the way, notice the time. They were able to get me the veneers, the new ones, in only a few weeks. Less than, I think, 3 weeks, if I remember correctly. So you can notice the timestamp in there somewhere. These are the veneers. These are the veneers that have the crack in them. Looking much better than my normal teeth, right? So these still have the crack. I've continued to use these veneers because I don't want to use my new veneers until I absolutely have to get rid of these ones. So I'm like hanging on to these things for dear life. But they're probably, as you can see in this picture here, they're probably not going to be lasting too much longer. I'm still very gentle with them. I'm really trying to have them last as long as possible. Now I'm going to show you the new veneers that they sent me, which I have not even tried on yet. Okay, so I'm hoping they're good. Hopefully they listen to my comments about the flaring out. In the beginning, when I first saw people doing this, like taking their teeth out, I was like really disgusted and freaked out, but hopefully you guys aren't, because now I don't even care. It's like so second nature to me. I'm popping these things in and out all day. This is the new one. Let me compare, in fact, the new to the old. The color is pearl. Now, keep in mind, the better you clean these, the less stain they'll be, right? So because they have a crack in them, I have trouble cleaning them to the best of my ability. So that might be a little bit of the reason why they actually look a little bit darker than these new ones, because it's harder to clean. So let me pop these in, the top one. Wow. Whew. That is a tight fitting veneer. Wow. These should still be the pearl color. They feel weird, so I'm talking a little bit different. That's why they were weird. They weren't in all the way. Okay, they feel really, really good. Now I'm going to throw in the bottom one. Let me show you the comparison with the bottom one over here. I know it might be a little difficult, guys. I apologize about that, but you can clearly see that the older one, this one here, floating here, is dirtier looking than the bottom one, which is brand new. And again, over time, unless you have like an incredibly, really good hand at cleaning these, they will slowly gather slight stains. But guys, they don't look unnatural. I think the slight stains look more natural. More natural. And they don't look terribly bad. When they were in my mouth and I was showing you, they didn't look bad. So don't worry about those stains. Pop these bottoms in. Let's hope they don't flare out. Whew. These are so tight. And they are not flaring out. So they hit the nail on the head with these guys. They hit the nail on the head. They gave me another beautiful set of teeth. Now, they're still a little bit tight, and that's what I want, because over time, these will loosen. So you might as well get them as tight as possible so that when they loosen, they're not going to be that loose, right? Let me just tell you again how amazing this company is. Shipping and manufacturing time and customer service, all 100%. I'm not saying that people who have had bad experiences with them are lying to you. Maybe there are people who have had bad experiences with them. But they have been amazing to me, and they get nothing out of this from me other than these videos, which they don't even probably know that I make these videos, right? I don't think they have ever commented on one of my videos. I don't get paid. I don't get nothing. So I'm happy to help you guys determine whether this company is good or not, and this is Shiny Smile Veneers 1 year later. I want to show you again the old ones. Here's the old ones. Much less tight than they used to be back when I first got them. Here's the old ones. I do believe that the old ones, in fact, represent a more natural looking smile because they are less white. Remember, guys, both of these are the pearl color, okay? I always get asked, what color are they? They're the pearl color. The pearls, even though they're pearl and not bright white, they're still super white. So you might have to wrap your brain around what you're seeing when you see your teeth in these. So let me just give you a little bit of an idea of what it's like to live with these. I will, and remember, my other videos have gone into more depth, but I'm going to give you a quick overview just to give you a quick overview. It's excellent. They're really easy to pop in and out when you eat. They are not good to eat in. I used to say, yeah, you could get by eating with them. I don't recommend them. I don't recommend you eat with them. You can get away with it. You technically can. But let me tell you, it's not going to be fun. You might as well not eat with them, okay? When you pop them out for a meal, just put them away, eat, pop them back in. I've never had any issues, and if you need more detail on how I pull that off without people knowing, check out my other videos. The one downside is that at some point in time, you do have to take these out of your mouth, and at that point in time, you look at your teeth and you're like, those teeth are gross, your natural teeth. My teeth aren't terrible, but they're certainly not, I'm not happy with them. And even though I have these, I have thought about getting actual veneers put on, like porcelain veneers. Now, it's much different where I am. I'm in Mexico, and many of you guys might be in the United States. If you're in the United States, well, it's very expensive in the United States. In Mexico, however, I can get a full set top and bottom veneers from like here to here for like 5,000 USD, something like that. In the States, you're looking at like $15,000, $20,000 and up, okay? So I have been toying with the idea, not sure if I'm gonna do it, not do it. I'm still meditating on it. For things that you cannot change, it's a good idea to meditate on. But would I recommend Shiny Smile Veneers? Absolutely I would. Excellent company, excellent product, and I'll be back with another video eventually. If you guys got any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.